Hello everyone, welcome to React Learning course. In the last video we had looked at Radium, which is one package that helps us with styling React component. In this video we will learn about new package, which will popular package in third-party library. We also using this package for styling React component, which called styled component. In this video, we will learn installation of styled component in our project, also some code basic part of using the styled component in our project. You can also learn all about styled component and style-components.com website. And now we need to install this package in our project. First, open terminal in your project here and write here npm install --c styled-components. After this --legacy pair --deps. Press enter. This will be installed style component as a dependency in our project. After installation of this package, we can use and import styled component in our project. Close terminal page, and in the meantime I want to remove all Radium from my project. Remove all Radium features because we want to use style component instead of Radium. Remove this and also remove this style root like this. Also I want to remove this Radium and parentheses. Now see this code. I want to open person.css file and copy this style properties, and after this comment this, because we want to use styled component package. And also I want to comment this, and now I want to import styled component. Import styled from style-components. And now I want to create some new const called style div equal with styled here you can use every element of HTML like div, h, everything like div, h, p, every element we have in HTML you can use here. I want to use div because I want to style this div element here. And after this, two box text like this. And now paste all copied code here like this, and remove this class name and curly braces. After this, use here instead of div style div like this. And now move this close tag here. Like this. Now save this code and also save this. After this, start your development server npm start. We will see now effect of this style in our application. Yes, and we will see now everything here. Look at this here. You can see this like you saw before. This means everything is working, like box shadow, border, margin, and everything is working. All properties of our styling is working from styled component package. So this was styled components using in React. Thank you for watching.